The following video will briefly go over the checklist for hosting a successful ICN training session. We appreciate this opportunity to provide training for school nutrition professionals and look forward to working with you. A minimum of 25 to 30 participants is required for ICN to provide a training session. Your assigned training coordinator will check in with you 6 weeks before the training date to confirm that the minimum number of participants has been met. We suggest having some sort of pre-registration for the training so that you will have an accurate number of attendees. You want to choose a training facility that has a convenient location with adequate parking and disability access. You want to make sure that you provide clear directions to the facility to your participants and the trainer or trainers so that the training may begin on time. The training facility will also need to have the appropriate audiovisual equipment. The room will need to have an LCD projector with a remote and a projection screen. The room should also have flip charts with markers. You will need to receive the materials shipped from ICN and place the boxes of materials in the training room before the trainer arrives. Please do not unpack the materials before the trainer gets there. You will want to discuss setup plans with the trainer. Plan a time to meet with the ICN trainer at the classroom. If possible, meet the night before the training. If you cannot meet until the day of training, you will need to allow at least 1 hour before the training for setup. The classroom will need to have enough tables and chairs for all participants. Participants will need space for class materials and a surface to write on. The ideal setup will have table groups of 3 to 5 participants. This makes it easier for the trainer to facilitate the activities and for small group discussions when the training calls for them. It is ideal, though not required, for the sponsoring agency to provide lunch and refreshment beverages at the training site. ICN does not provide food or beverages for meals or breaks. If lunch is not provided, you should inform the participants of specific suggestions and directions for nearby restaurants. When providing food and snacks, please consider nutritious choices as a best practice. You will need to be present for the entire training. You will welcome the group and provide information about the training day, such as restroom locations, lunch plans, distribution of certificates, and any other information. You will need to introduce the trainer from the Institute of Child Nutrition. ICN will provide you with a biography for the trainer. Also, you will need to answer questions specific to your individual state or district. Near the end of the training day, you will need to collect training evaluations after they are completed by participants and place the evaluations in a pre-addressed envelope provided by ICN. You will also need to assist the trainer in collecting leftover materials and supplies. If you are not able to attend the training, you will need to provide someone from your agency to be present during the entire training. Remember to mail the completed evaluations in the pre-addressed envelope to ICN within 5 days after training. A training survey will be emailed to you after the training. This follow-up survey helps ICN evaluate how the trainings and trainers are doing. We really appreciate your taking the time to complete this survey. If you have any questions about requesting a training, you may contact ICN at 1-800-321-3054 or by email at helpdesk@theicn.org. Again, we welcome this opportunity to provide training for you and look forward to working with you.